Hello everyone, my name is Anurag and welcome to Shadow Photography. In this video, I am going to share 6 important tips with you guys to shoot street in small cities. But before starting, let's roll the intro. You might have seen some tremendous photos from New York City or Japan or Dubai or somewhere else. But I don't stay in Japan or New York or Dubai. I stay in small town in small city where I don't find so high rise building. Then what should I shoot on these streets? So now here are the 6 tips to shoot on the streets of small cities. So here is the tip number 1. Capture narrow streets with some movement. That means there should be some subject in the frame while capturing the narrow street. Here you can see the 2 images which I shot earlier. This one, here you can see a man standing just on the side lane of the narrow street, and 2 or 3 persons are coming in the frame from opposite side. And here in the second images you can see there was a tram here, and that was a very narrow lane. In that one person was coming, that I shot. So always shoot narrow street with the subject. Here is the second tip. Shoot people. Not shooting people with the gun. Shoot with the camera. Capture the photos of random strangers while indulging in their work. Here you can see these images. Here the first image where you can see a person is walking on the street while talking on the phone. In the second image you can see a person is standing on the street while smoking. In third image you can see the person is carrying some goods on his head. Tip number 3. Get the close-ups. Always capture the facial expression or emotion of the random strangers on the street. Here you can see the person is busy while playing his musical instrument, and you can clearly see its facial expression. In second image you can see a guy was standing and was staring at something. So perfectly captured the facial expression here. And in third image you can see that person is looking outside of the e-rickshaw on ongoing some events on the streets. Always remember, facial expressions speak a lot. So always captures facial expression of random strangers. I should definitely say in note that make sure the person is not offended while you are busy in clicking them. So if they are comfortable with it, then only click them, or else just move on and click someone else. Tip number 4. This tip is very much similar to the tip number 3 only, but it is in just addition to it. Always capture the facial expression of the random strangers, but in addition is make sure you capture their facial expression while they are looking in your camera. That creates more connectivity with the image. Okay, let me show you with some examples. Here is the first image. In this image you can see the person was walking towards me and he was looking at my camera. So it was the golden hour, so that's why you can see the sun behind the person. In second image you can see that a person with his daughter was looking in the camera with some excitement. In third image you can see a rickshaw puller looking in the camera, and you can feel the connectivity with this image. In this fourth image you can see a person was talking to some other person, and while he was talking I clicked him. You can see how much connectivity this image is creating. Tip number 5. Try panning shots. Usually we try panning shots with a fast moving vehicle like cars, train, etc. But in small cities you can try panning shot with the people walking on the street or the person running on the street, or you can capture a person who is riding bicycle. That person is riding bicycle and I tried to capture a panning shot. Might be this image is not perfect, but somehow yeah, I am satisfied with the image. The sixth and last and most important and recommended tip of this list: always frame the photos properly and try to capture stories in the photos. For example, see this image. Here you can see a mother is busy with her child and it is somehow speaking some story according to me. In second image you can see again a mother is holding her child in her lap while riding the motorbike. So yeah, I found this photo speaking some stories. And in this third image you can see a policeman standing in between the street while controlling the traffic. So yes, these all photos speaking some stories. So these were the 6 most important tips which will help you in enhancing the skill in street photography. Anyway, perfection doesn't exist. You just become better and better and better with time. So just go out, shoot as much as you can and enhance your skill in street photography. If you find this video really helpful, hit the like button and help me out by hitting subscribe. You can check out more street photos on my Instagram. Here is my Instagram username. You just go to this username, or I have put the link in the description also. Just hit the link and check out my Instagram. Go give me a follow. Wait, don't go. One more information I have to share with you. These all photos are edited using my Lightroom preset and I have put the link in the description. Just go get the preset if you like the editing. I'll catch you guys in another video with some more street photography tips. So without having much fun, I'll catch you guys in the next one.